Okay, we're back to idle now, and both engines are in gear. I'll pull. Okay, now they're both in neutral. That's the starboard engine to reverse. I'll put the port engine as forward. That's just going to kind of spin us around here. I'm going to bring them both to reverse. They're both in reverse now. Okay. Starboard's in forward. Now the port's in forward. And we're going to make our way back to the dock. Okay, so there's full idle. All the way back, both ahead, and VHF is up here. Right there. There's weather.
Wednesday, northeast winds 10 knots. See student.
Okay. Again, stereo. Everything else seems to be working well. Alright, this is, okay, forward spreader. It's right there. Turn that on, turn the aft spreader. There's that one right there is not working. At the moment, it's not working. Okay, head back to the dock.